We've been unfortunate enough to experience two major incidents in the last 7 years. The last one, which was in 2012, where crew members have unfortunately lost their life globally. So really, what I wanted to really talk about was that sort of effect, the responsibility that a company such as FITSA has to prevent that happening again.
The big things that are driving safety management or risk management around safety regulation in New Zealand, some of them stem back to the Pike River incident, which was the mining incident on the west coast. Others are drawn from more general maritime kinds of incidents. But what they're driving is a view that the regulatory framework and the way the regulator operates and interacts with industry needs to be what's referred to as really responsive and risk-based.
I think it's really important and to take the opportunity to sort of look at, I guess, what port state control has been in the past and where it's going in the future.
It means, as a regulator, you have to have a very nuanced and deep understanding of the people, the environment, the equipment, the way that's all interacting, and ensure that the rules that deliver safe outcomes respond effectively to that over time.
I think the main barrier to safety culture in the shipping industry, well, not even safety culture, but to progressing to more mature safety management systems, it's really a recognition and acknowledgement of what you can get out of it.
I think for me, one of the biggest issues is complacency. I think you can have great procedures, great systems, but people have got to actually live by them.
There's a bit of risk-taking that goes on and not a lot of deep thought about how best to manage safe outcomes.
For us, it's really trying to raise the awareness, remind people there are risks involved in their daily job.
Well, certainly the benefit from my perspective is being exposed to some of the leading thinkers internationally and in Australia from the industry and the regulatory side.
People want to hear from a variety of colleagues within the industry. They want to hear the experiences, they want to share stories, and they want to learn from other people's experience.